Have you looked in the mirror recently and noticed significantly more gray hair than you had just 6 months ago? Are you wondering why the graying suddenly seems to be accelerating when it used to be just a few strands? You're not imagining it, and it's not just bad luck or aging catching up overnight. The truth is, when gray hair suddenly increases noticeably, your body is sending urgent warning signals about your internal health. Today, I'm revealing exactly what your body is trying to tell you when you notice more gray hair this year, and what these signals mean for your overall health. This isn't just about vanity or appearance. This is about understanding critical health messages. Stick around because ignoring these signals could have serious consequences beyond just gray hair. The first thing your body is trying to tell you when you notice more gray hair this year is that you're severely deficient in vitamin B12, which is essential for DNA synthesis in melanocytes and overall neurological health. A sudden increase in gray hair within months rather than years often indicates significant B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 is required for melanocytes to replicate and produce melanin. When B12 levels drop too low, melanocytes cannot divide properly or synthesize melanin at normal rates. This causes hair growing from affected follicles to come in gray or white instead of your natural color. B12 deficiency develops gradually over months to years because your liver stores several years' worth. By the time you notice accelerated graying from B12 deficiency, you're already severely depleted. Your body exhausted its stores and is now showing visible signs. Vegetarians and vegans are at extremely high risk since B12 exists only in animal products. Up to 80% of vegans and 50% of vegetarians have inadequate B12 status. Additionally, people over 50 often have reduced stomach acid and intrinsic factor needed to absorb B12 from food. Medications commonly used by younger adults also deplete B12. Proton pump inhibitors for acid reflux, metformin for POS or prediabetes, and birth control pills all significantly impair B12 absorption over time. If you take any of these medications and notice more gray hair, B12 deficiency is highly likely. Beyond gray hair, B12 deficiency causes fatigue, weakness, tingling in hands and feet, balance problems, memory issues, and mood changes. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms along with accelerated graying, B12 deficiency is almost certainly the culprit. The solution is getting your B12 levels tested through a serum B12 blood test. Optimal levels for melanocyte function are above 500 picograms per milliliter. If deficient, supplement with methylcobalamin at 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms daily. For severe deficiency or absorption problems, sublingual lozenges at 1,000 to 500 micrograms or monthly B12 injections may be needed. Before we move on, I'd love to know where you're watching from. If this content is helping you understand what your body is telling you through gray hair better, type 1 in the comments or 0 if it doesn't. And if you're serious about decoding your body's signals, make sure to subscribe to HairThrive and turn on notifications. The second thing your body is trying to tell you when you notice more gray hair this year is that you're under chronic unmanaged stress that's depleting your melanocyte stem cells and accelerating aging throughout your body. A sudden increase in gray hair often follows periods of intense or prolonged stress. Columbia University research published in 2021 revealed the exact mechanism by which stress causes graying. Stress hormones, particularly norepinephrine from sympathetic nerves, flood hair follicles and trigger melanocyte stem cells to convert into mature melanocytes too rapidly. This depletes the stem cell reservoir that maintains hair color throughout life. Think about major stressful events or periods in the past year. Job changes, relationship issues, financial stress, health concerns, family problems, or chronic work pressure all generate sustained stress that damages melanocyte stem cells. The graying you notice now reflects stress from months ago. Unlike nutritional deficiencies that develop gradually, stress damages stem cells in real time with each stress response. The acceleration you notice this year reflects cumulative stress exposure over recent months, depleting your stem cell reserves. The remarkable finding from the Columbia study was that stress-related graying can reverse when stress is reduced. Researchers observed individual hair strands with bands where gray segments returned to pigmented color, corresponding precisely to periods when participants reduced stress levels. Beyond gray hair, Chronic stress causes numerous health problems including elevated blood pressure, impaired immune function, digestive issues, sleep problems, anxiety, depression, and increased risk of heart disease. Your accelerated graying is one visible manifestation of broader stress-related damage. The solution involves implementing daily stress reduction practices as non-negotiable health maintenance. Meditate or practice mindfulness for 10 to 20 minutes daily to lower cortisol. Exercise regularly with 30 minutes of moderate activity 5 days weekly. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep nightly. Set digital boundaries especially around sleep times. Nurture social connections that buffer stress effects. The third thing your body is trying to tell you when you notice more gray hair this year is that you have oxidative stress overload from poor diet, environmental toxins, smoking, or other factors generating free radicals faster than your antioxidant defenses can neutralize them. Accelerated graying reflects excessive oxidative damage to melanocytes. Oxidative stress involves an imbalance between free radical production and antioxidant defenses. When this balance spikes toward excessive free radicals, they damage cellular components including DNA, proteins, and lipids in melanocytes. This impairs melanocyte function and accelerates graying. University of Bradford research discovered that hair follicles from people with premature graying contain massive accumulations of hydrogen peroxide at concentrations thousands of times higher than normal. This hydrogen peroxide literally bleaches melanin from inside and damages melanocytes directly. Think about your diet and lifestyle over the past year. Eating mostly processed foods low in antioxidants, smoking or exposure to secondhand smoke, excessive alcohol consumption, living in polluted environments, chronic stress, and inadequate sleep all generate oxidative stress that overwhelms your defenses. The melanin production process itself generates reactive oxygen species as a byproduct. This means that melanocytes face oxidative stress from both their normal function and external sources. When external oxidative stress increases, melanocytes cannot cope and begin failing. Beyond gray hair, oxidative stress accelerates aging throughout your body and increases risk of chronic diseases including heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and neurodegenerative conditions. Your accelerated graying signals that oxidative damage is affecting you systemically. The solution involves comprehensive lifestyle changes to reduce oxidative stress and boost antioxidant defenses. Eat a rainbow of colorful fruits and vegetables daily providing diverse antioxidants. Reduce or eliminate processed food consumption. Stop smoking if you smoke. Moderate alcohol intake. Reduce exposure to pollution when possible. Manage chronic stress. Get adequate sleep. If you're finding this helpful, please take a moment to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps this video reach other people who might not realize their gray hair is a warning signal about their health. The fourth thing your body is trying to tell you when you notice more gray hair this year is that you may have an underlying health condition affecting melanocyte function or nutrient metabolism. Several conditions commonly manifest with premature or accelerated graying as an early symptom. Thyroid disorders including both hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism are associated with accelerated graying. Thyroid hormones influence hair follicle cycling and melanocyte function. Untreated thyroid disease can cause hair changes including graying, thinning, and texture changes. Think about other symptoms you might be experiencing along with increased graying. Unexplained weight changes, fatigue, temperature sensitivity, hair loss or thinning, skin changes, digestive issues, or mood changes may indicate thyroid dysfunction or other conditions. Pernicious anemia, an autoimmune condition preventing B12 absorption, causes severe B12 deficiency despite adequate dietary intake. People with pernicious anemia develop premature graying along with fatigue, neurological symptoms, and anemia. This condition often goes undiagnosed for years. Vitiligo, an autoimmune condition causing loss of skin pigmentation, often presents with premature graying before visible skin depigmentation appears. Scalp hair graying may precede other vitiligo symptoms by months or years. Celiac disease and inflammatory bowel diseases impair nutrient absorption, leading to multiple deficiencies that cause premature graying. Undiagnosed celiac disease causes malabsorption of B12, iron, copper, and folate essential for melanocyte function. The solution involves getting comprehensive medical evaluation if you have accelerated graying along with other unexplained symptoms. Thyroid function tests, complete blood count, B12 testing, autoimmune markers, and celiac screening can identify treatable conditions. Early diagnosis and treatment often improves overall health while slowing or stopping gray hair progression. The fifth thing your body is trying to tell you when you notice more gray hair this year is that your overall diet quality is poor, lacking multiple nutrients essential for melanocyte function and overall health. Accelerated graying often reflects cumulative nutritional inadequacy rather than single deficiency. Beyond B12, several other nutrients are critical for melanocyte function. Copper is required for the tyrosinase enzyme that produces melanin. Iron supports melanocyte function and oxygen delivery. Folate works with B12 in DNA synthesis. Vitamin D maintains melanocyte stem cells. Antioxidant vitamins protect melanocytes from oxidative damage. Think honestly about your eating patterns over the past year. Skipping meals regularly, relying on fast food and processed convenience foods, avoiding fruits and vegetables, following restrictive diets without proper planning, or eating the same limited foods repeatedly all create nutritional gaps. Melanocytes are rapidly dividing cells with high metabolic demands. They need consistent, adequate nutrition to function properly. When your diet fails to provide essential nutrients day after day, melanocytes cannot maintain normal pigment production. A 2017 study examining young adults with premature graying found that 74% had at least one nutritional deficiency, and many had multiple deficiencies. When these deficiencies were corrected, approximately 35% experienced partial repigmentation. Beyond gray hair, poor diet quality increases risk of numerous health problems including obesity, diabetes, heart disease, weakened immune function, poor energy levels, and accelerated aging. Your graying signals that inadequate nutrition is affecting your health more broadly. The solution involves comprehensive dietary improvement focusing on nutrient density. Build meals around whole foods including vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and if not vegetarian, fish, eggs, dairy, and moderate amounts of meat. Include organ meats like liver once or twice weekly. Ensure adequate protein intake. Limit processed foods, sugar, and refined grains. The biggest mistake people make when they notice more gray hair this year is treating it as a purely cosmetic issue to be covered with dye rather than recognizing it as an important health warning signal deserving investigation. Your body is trying to communicate that something needs attention, and covering gray with dye ignores the message completely. Gray hair acceleration signals internal problems that won't resolve themselves. B12 deficiency worsens over time, causing neurological damage if untreated. Chronic stress continues depleting stem cells and damaging your health. Oxidative stress accelerates aging and disease risk. Underlying health conditions progress when undiagnosed. Poor nutrition continues undermining your health. Think about the difference between addressing root causes versus covering symptoms. Investigating why your graying accelerated and correcting underlying issues improves your overall health, energy, and longevity, while potentially slowing or partially reversing graying. Simply dyeing your hair leaves problems untreated while adding chemical damage. Many people rationalize that gray hair is just cosmetic and doesn't indicate anything important. This dangerous misconception prevents people from discovering serious health issues early when intervention is most effective. Your body doesn't waste resources sending warning signals about trivial matters. The solution is treating increased gray hair as a health signal prompting investigation, rather than a cosmetic problem requiring cover-up. Get comprehensive testing including B12, ferritin, vitamin D, thyroid panel, and complete blood count. Evaluate your stress levels honestly and implement reduction strategies. Assess your diet quality and make improvements. Address any identified deficiencies or conditions. You now understand that when you notice more gray hair this year, your body is trying to tell you something important about your internal health. The signals include severe vitamin B12 deficiency affecting DNA synthesis in melanocytes and neurological function, chronic unmanaged stress depleting melanocyte stem cells and accelerating aging, oxidative stress overload from poor diet and lifestyle damaging melanocytes, underlying health conditions including thyroid disease and autoimmune disorders, and poor overall diet quality, creating multiple nutritional deficiencies. The first action step is getting comprehensive testing to identify specific problems. Request serum B12, ferritin, 25-hydroxyvitamin D, thyroid panel, and complete blood count. If you have other symptoms, discuss additional testing for autoimmune conditions or celiac disease. Testing reveals exactly what needs correction. The second action involves addressing identified issues with targeted interventions. Supplement deficiencies at therapeutic doses with methylcobalamin for B12. Iron if ferritin is low, vitamin D3 for vitamin D deficiency. Treat underlying health conditions through appropriate medical care. Implement daily stress reduction through meditation, exercise, quality sleep, and stress management. Improve diet quality by emphasizing nutrient-dense whole foods. The third consideration is tracking your progress objectively. Monitor how you feel, energy levels, sleep quality, stress levels, and other health markers. Take photos to track whether gray hair progression slows over 3 to 6 months. Retest blood work after several months to confirm nutritional status has improved. The critical factor for success is recognizing gray hair as a health communication, requiring a response rather than a cosmetic issue requiring cover-up. Your body invested resources in sending you visible warning signals. Ignoring these signals allows problems to worsen. Addressing root causes improves overall health while potentially slowing or partially reversing graying. Remember, if you've noticed more gray hair this year, your body is urgently trying to tell you something about your health. Don't ignore these signals. Investigate the causes, address underlying issues, and give your body the support it needs to function optimally. If this video helped you understand what your body is trying to tell you through increased gray hair, please share it with someone who's noticed more graying this year. Make sure to subscribe to HairThrive for more evidence-based content about understanding your body's health signals. Hit that notification bell so you never miss videos that could help you decode important health messages. Thanks for watching and trusting me to explain what your body is communicating through gray hair. I'll see you in the next video.